Hello everyone. Very good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Is there
Good afternoon, sir.
anyone join or not?
What, sir?
Is there anyone join? Yet to be join or not? So how many you are?
Yes,
You are 11 right now.
well,
Okay, so when I am talking regarding this project demonstration or project presentation, okay, so you are requested to switch off your mics. Okay, kindly. So there will be some echo and all. So that is why I told you when I am speaking, you are put your mics off. Okay, so let's start our session. Uh, so what we have discussed in the day 12/12/2020, I told you within 19/12/2020 you have to submit, all of you have to submit your project group, and as well as the who will be your guide, and as well as your project domain area. I already circulated the notice that uh, I already circulated that notice regarding the project submission area and what are the different areas our faculty will be working, and depending on the area we will decide ki, depending on this particular area we will decide ki how many number of students are admitted, how many number of students are admitted in this particular project area. So you have known that in this project area you have a 100 marks, which will be, I already discussed in the previous session, that there will be no external examination in this particular 7 semester. There will be only internal examination, and during this internal examinations, although due to this pandemic situation, you are all about that the physical classes will be stopped right now. So we don't know whether when the physical classes will be start, but till now when the 7 semester 8 semester begins, before that your internal examination will happen. So during this internal examination, what you have done for the project, you have to submit one presentation regarding your project title, and as well as you have to submit one project report. Either it is online or in the offline mode, whatever the possibility will be going, that will depends upon the authority. If the authority will told that your physical classes will be start, then we will go for the physical presentation, right? So if they are not allow, then we will go for the online presentation, right? So you have to submit one presentation, 15 to 16 slide of presentation you have to present, depending on your project. Either your project will be in the software domain, or your project area should be in a hardware prototype modeling. Whatever you have been chosen, that is depends upon what the guide you have been chosen and what the guide will be proposed, right? So am I audible or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You are
You are
Okay,
audible.
audible.
okay, okay. Okay, fine. So already 32 students is already submitted their project area and research domain, and we will already share with you like things again. Those who have not present in the previous session, I discussed today regarding what are the different things which will be available in the LMS portal. Okay, okay. I think you are comfortable with this LMS portal, right? Hmm. So I am sharing my screen. So is the screen visible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Okay. So in this particular, this is actually the home page of the particular department in the LMS portal, right? So in this particular portal, you have seen that you go to the E department, right? Okay. Those who have switch on the microphone, please switch off the microphone. Okay. So you go to the Kolhan University section. Okay, and go to the project W1707P. In this particular section, everything will be written, right? What are the different methodology for writing a report? So I already discussed in the previous session that how many number of copies you have been submitted, right? So all those things will be available in the LMS portal, which I already discussed in the previous session, right? So these are the different PDF format which will be available in the LMS portal. Supposed to be the guidelines of the front page design. Okay, I will show you the front page design, how the front page will be look like, right? So supposed to be this. Okay, so these are the everything will be available. I'm not going to the elaborate. Okay, so you will see in this particular section what will be the difference, supposed to be how the bona fide certificate will be look like. Okay, so everything after final submission of your project you have to submit a copy, hard copy, right? The final report submission guidelines, right? So what are the different guidelines which will proposed from the department? That guidelines will be displayed in the LMS portal, right? Hmm. And next thing is that the sample report. I have also published some sample report of 1620 batch electrical engineering. Some of the students were doing these things, okay, under my supervision. Supposed to be the load flow analysis. This is actually the title. This is actually the title of the particular project, the load flow analysis of a 6 bus, 9 bus, the different bus system which we have. And they are doing their project under my supervision, and they are doing the software model, right? Like a MATLAB programming they are doing, right? So now we are go to the, suppose what are the certificate we will be issue from the department, right? So whenever you have to write the certificate, that will be shown, that will be right on the institution letterhead, right? So what are the project title, who will be your guide, and how many number of students are available in this particular area, and who will be your guide, right? Okay, so now I will show you the different, the final project domain submission status. Yet now what I have seen that, I will sharing with you. Uh, Whether the Excel sheet is visible or not?
Not visible, sir.
Not visible, na? Okay, fine. Okay, okay, so forget it. I will remove this thing. So what I have seen that, now we will share the entire page, entire. Just wait for a second. Wait for a second, I will sharing you something. Yes, now my screen is visible or not right now?